sukat. Ayan, babe, sa basket number 2 natin, check natin si 2, babe. Ayan. Babe, nakasuot na po sa akin yung basket number 2 natin. That is our chiffon short, babe. Chiffon shorts natin yan, babe, na i-face out na rin. Kaya, girls, you habol check out na, okay? Ayan, girls, ganyan yung ating ayan, suot natin right now is color choco brown. This is choco brown, girls, okay? Ayan, suot ko right now si choco brown, guys, ha? Ayan, and flex ko rin all colors na available, girls, okay? Flex ko rin all colors na available. Ayan. Here, girls, si ating chiffon shorts, ating colors. Ay, wait lang. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Wait lang, guys, ha? Ayan, for our chiffon shorts, girlies, we have here si ating color, guys, si color dark gray, okay? This is dark gray, girls, dark gray. And here naman, girls, si ating color baby pink. Ayan, baby pink, girlies, this is our baby pink. Ayan, something cute silang, guys, and light color lang. Ayan, gusto ko i-wear si baby pink. Parang ang nice niya with our pastel yellow, no? And eto naman, girls, si ating color. And color black, girlies. This is our color black, girls, okay? Eto naman, girls, si ating color red. Color red, girlies. This is our red. Ayan, perfect red, guys. Ayan, wait lang. Medyo ilapit ko siya sa camera para makita niyo talaga yung true colors niya, guys. Okay? Ayan, ganito siya, guys. Ganito. Ayan, ganyan yung pagka-red niya, ha? Not too bright. Hindi siya orangey, guys. Ito naman si ating color. Ayan, color maroon naman natin, girls. Maroon. This is a nice color of wine red. Ayan, wine red, guys. Ito naman si ating color midnight blue, girls. This is our midnight blue. Our future dust. This is our future dust, babes. Ayan, si future dust natin. And si ating color, naman, girls? Si ating color dark right now. Kaya super sale yan. Okay? Super baba ni Riley natin, guys. Inuubos na po yan. And marami pa po stocks dyan, guys. Kasi yan yung last na nag-restock for basics bago sila i-face out ngayon. Okay? Ayan, guys. Eto si ating baby pink ng Riley natin, okay? Baby pink ni Riley, guys. Baby pink ni Riley. Okay? Napaka-nice niyan, babe. Ay, siguro later magpalit ako ng choco brown. Wait lang, check lang natin yung available colors kay Riley natin. Ayan, sobrang dami pa, kompleto pa. Oh my God, super nice. Makakahabol pa ako ng checkout. Ayan, guys, mag-checkout ako ng color brown. Ayan, magsa-secured na ako ng colors ko, guys. Kasi meron ako, may choco brown na pala ako ni Riley. Ay, meron ako choco brown. Magsa-secure na lang ako ng maroon. Wala ng maroon, that's sad. Meron dark taupe, dark gray, hindi. Parang magpa-pastel yellow ako, baby pink, and ayan, color white and black. Ayan, ganun karami, guys, kasi super malulungkot ako pag naubusan ako ng Riley talaga. Kasi gamit na gamit ko to, lalo na pag nag-exercise, guys. Eto si baby pink again, then flex po natin si ating Rowan, guys, okay? Ayan, si Riley, baby pink, guys. Ayan, guys, malapit na mag-end yung pa-lowest price sale natin, 11 minutes na lang, okay? Ayan, ganyan yung color niya, guys. Napaka-nice na color ng earth colors. Ito naman, guys, si color white natin. Color white. Okay, this is our color white. Ayan yung colors na available, guys, kay basket number 2 na i-face out na rin po. Ayan, guys, don't worry, guys, kasi ayan, si ating basket number 2 ay, ano po yan, guys? Ayan, double line na buong shorts niya, okay? Ayan, guys, medyo naglalag ako ngayon kasi medyo matagal na akong hindi nag-live, kaya pasensya na po. And shallow skirt, sage green, okay? Pwede pa try ng pink me sa basket number 2 ba, babe? Ayan, babe, sa ating shorts, kung shorts yung tinutukoy niyo, babe, basket number 2 natin yon. Yung kaka-flex ko lang, guys, that is basket number 2. All colors and sizes po ang restock ni Rowan. Not sure po, Babe Meg. Ayan, pero usually, Babe Meg, pag nagre-restock tayo, all colors and sizes naman. Shallow skirt, sage green. Ayan, babe, JD, yung shorts ba yun, babe? Kung yung colors natin kay Rowan right now. Ayan, si ating Rowan. Wait lang, girls. Let me get si Rowan natin. Ayan, for our Rowan, eto guys, parang eto napaka-timeless talaga ni Rowan. Like parang hindi matatapos talaga yung mga naghahanap kay Rowan kasi perfect na perfect. Alam niyo ba, nung nakaraan talaga, may